Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Please type in chat window. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Guys, please check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Right. Guys, please all of you respond for me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Is my voice is clear to all of you? No response. Right. Good afternoon, guys. And check it what we completed there in the last session. All right. Then if we observe the content, okay. All right, sir. In the Java programming format, what content here we completed up to now, if we observe this, the part is like what I'm telling to you. Overall, in Java programming format, we are having 5 steps. What are the 5 steps here we are having there? The very first one, comment section, and second one is what their package section. Next one is what their right import section, classes or interfaces section. So these are the various sections here we are having. Out of all these sections, what we completed there totally, comment section part we completed. Am I right or not? Comment section part we completed. Now today we are going to understand the next one, that will be like what their package section. Right, sir. First of all, what exactly the meaning of package? Two definitions here I'm going to give for the package. No, now try to understand this package here. First one is package is the collection of interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. Right. What is this package actually? It's a collection of interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. This is the meaning of package. Right. Now, the second definition here, I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Second one is like what there? Package is a folder. Package is a folder. Right click a new folder. We are getting it now. Package is a folder, contains what files there? No, dot class files. Contains what there? Dot class files. Package is a folder, contains dot class files. Okay. Representing related classes and interfaces. Observe carefully, representing related classes and interfaces. Right. Observe carefully, there are the two definitions that I have given there. First one is what there? Package is the collection of interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. Second one is what there? Package is a folder containing dot class files representing related classes and interfaces. These are like what there? Two definitions here we can understand. In the first application development also, I have taken package com.durgasoft.core I have taken. When I compile that program, com folder is created. Inside the COM folder, Durgasoft folder is created. Inside the Durgasoft folder, core folder is created. Inside the core folder, what we are getting there now? Dot class path. Same point I'm telling you. Okay, fine. Next one is advantages of the packages. What are the various advantages are available with the packages? No. First one is modularity. First one is what there? Modularity. Understand it? There again, internal information we are going to discuss in the future when we go for this packages topic. No, there we are going to discuss in elaborated manner. But as of now, the point is what there? Advantages of packages are what there? Modularity. Right, sir. Then after this modularity, next one is like what there? Abstraction. After this modularity, what we are getting there? Abstraction. After this abstraction, security. Packages are able to provide what there? Security. After this security, another thing like what I'm telling to you, like shareability. Shareability. Then after this, reusability. Overall, these are the various advantages of packages in Java we can understand. I'll give one simple point here. Now try to understand it. Simple, in a simplified manner, I'm going to explain that. Why? Because again, these topics will come in packages, separate topic. There I will discuss more about this concepts here, but at present here we have to understand. Right, sir. Now let's understand this. Modularity, abstraction, security, shareability, then what next one here? Reusability. These are the various things are existed here. We can understand clearly. Right, sir. Observe carefully. I'll take one example, simple example here. Inside this, just if we take Java is a package, no, that means Java predefined library. If we take no, there we are having some package. This we can understand Java folder. Otherwise, I'll give that point here and try to understand it. Let me write some information there. I'm going to take the packages like what there. Java.lang is a package, no, where a set of classes and interfaces are available. There we can understand string one class, like what there, string buffer another class, like this, so many. Leave it. Next one is Java.io is a package, no. Inside this, so many classes and interfaces are available. There, one of the classes is like what there, input to stream, then another one is like what there, output to stream, and so on. So many things are existed. Next one is java.util is a package, no. Inside this, array list is one class. Next one is like what there, linked list is another one. Like this, so many things are available. Example I'm telling to you, try to understand it. Now observe carefully. Java is the main package name. Inside the main package name, child package name is what there, lang. Child package name is what there, IO. Another child package name is what there, util. So what is its meaning actually? Java is a main folder. Java is what there, a main folder. This is Java folder. Inside the Java folder, one folder is what there, lang. One folder is what there, lang. Another folder is what there, IO. Another folder is like what there, IO. And again another folder. This is what there, what is this another folder, util. Now observe carefully. Java package is a folder, contains what there, related classes and interfaces. Dot class files, of course. Inside the java.lang, two classes here are taken. What are the two classes now? String and string buffer. Now here we have to take string buffer. Two things here are taken. These two are dot class files. String dot class Other one is like what I'm telling to you, string buffer dot class. Next one, after that, inside this java.io, two things are existed here. What two things are available here? Understand this clearly. Two classes I have taken as an example: input stream and output stream. Input stream dot class. Then what next one here? Output stream dot class. Next one after that, java.util. There also we have taken two classes here. Observe carefully. What are the two dot class files here we have taken? Right. So array list dot class. Then what next one here? Linked list dot class. Observe carefully. So these are like what I'm telling there. All packages I provided here. Inside the packages, sub packages are available. Inside the sub packages here, what we are having there? No, directly we are having dot class files. This is exactly the meaning of like what there or dot class files content here we are getting. Is clear? All of you know. Now come for the advantages of packages. No, what are the various advantages are available here? Modularity. Now observe this diagram here. All of you know. Basic classes of Java are provided in a separate folder that is called as lang. Treated as a module. Treated as what there? A separate module. Input and output operation related things. Input and output operation related things are provided in a separate module. What is that separate module? You know, that will be like what there? IO. Their input stream dot class and output stream dot class. Next one is util. Util is one of the thing here. Util is one of the module. There what we are getting there, util, you can understand clearly. Now this is another content here in util. We can observe this clearly. All the data structures related things are existed. All what are available here? No, data structures related things are existed here. No. Right, sir. Now data structure related things are what there? Array list and linked. That means all the dot class files are provided with a specific modularization or not. The basics are provided in the form of a lang package. Input and output operations are provided in the form of a separate IO folder. Data structures related things are provided in what there? A separate. So this is exactly called as what there? Modularization. Here modularization is achieved or not? Here totally modularization is achieved or not? This is the meaning of like what there? Modularization. Sir, all of you get my point or not? Right, sir. Modularization we understood. Not required to go for any documentation here. Just understand your point here. Next one is, now observe carefully. If I provide some dot class files inside the lang package, they're hidden by the lang folder. They're not visible in outside. If I provide input stream and output stream inside the IO package, no, they're hidden by the IO folder, not visible in outside. If I provide array list and linked list inside the util folder, they're not visible in outside. They're hidden by util. So here, what is the point I'm telling there? Here, all these lang or IO or util are hiding their internal content or not? Are hiding their internal things or not? Internal declarations or not? This is called as an abstraction. This is called as what there? An abstraction. Next one after that. Wherever abstraction is available, automatically there we are able to get a protection. Wherever abstraction is available, there we are able to get what there? Protection. What is the meaning of this protection here? No, hiding the content in the sense what there? Protection only. Where security we are able to get. So packages are able to provide what there? Security. Understand it now. Next, one more point. All of you listen carefully. This is Java predefined library. Am I right or not? This is totally Java predefined library. Observe carefully. In my system, 10 programs I'm executing at a time. But to all 10 programs, this predefined library is required or not? 10 programs are running in my system there. In all 10 programs, I need to use the Java predefined library or not? All the packages are sharing their classes and interfaces to all 10 programs or not? There we are able to get what their shareability. Observe carefully. After that, now tell me, I prepared one package. That package we can reuse any number of times. That means Java predefined library is available. We can reuse that Java predefined library at any number of times. Not like one time, no. First time, one program I'm executing, completed. Second program I'm preparing that I'm executing. Yes, using the same library. Third program I'm executing, using the same library. One after another, 10 programs I'm executing, one after another. In all 10 programs, same predefined library is reused or not. So packages are what they're reused. This only high level information I'm telling there, not required more than this at present here. In a packages topic, we are going to understand effectively all the points now. So this is what exactly the meaning of what there a package. This is the meaning of like what their package and their advantages here we are able to understand. Right, observe carefully. Next one is after completion of this point here, what next one no? Good. Definitions we understood. Next one is what their advantages here we understood. The diagram also I given some content here, some explanation I given. Next one is after that, what next points here we have to understand about this now. Types of packages. Package types. How many types of packages are available? There are two types of packages. What are the two types of packages now? Predefined packages. Predefined packages, and second one is what there user defined packages. Predefined packages, and second one is what there user defined packages. Right. Now we have to understand what is this predefined package and what is this user defined package here. Observe carefully. Everybody understand my point here. Predefined packages. These packages are defined by Java programming language. These packages are defined by Java programming language. These packages are defined by Java programming language and provided along with Java predefined library. Provided along with the Java predefined library. Guys, all of you observe carefully. Provided along with the Java predefined library. That means provided along with the Java software. Instead of saying predefined library, Java software. Right. This is like what I'm telling to you. Predefined packages now. What are the various examples for predefined packages now? What we are having there? Java.io. Okay. Here we can say that Java.util. Next one is Java.sql and so on. So many examples are available. This is like what I'm telling there, predefined packages part here. Next one, user defined packages. What is the meaning of this user defined packages now? These packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. Observe carefully, these packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. All right, sir. All of you are following these points now? Now tell me, all of you now tell me, what is a package? Now tell me, two definitions are given. What are the two definitions here we understood there? Package is the collection of interrelated classes and interfaces as a single unit. Then what is another definition are given there? Package is a folder containing data class files representing related classes and interfaces. Right, sir. Next one is, what are the various advantages of packages now? Modularity, abstraction, security, shareability, and reusability. Next one here. Some diagram I have given there about these packages. No? How many types of packages are available? Two types. What are the two types of packages? No, predefined packages and user defined packages. What is this predefined package? No, these packages are defined by Java programming language and provided along with the Java software. What are the examples for predefined packages? No, java.io, java.util, java.sql. User defined packages. What exactly this user defined packages can know? These packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. Got my point or not? Next one. How we are able to prepare user defined package? How it is possible to prepare user defined package? If you observe this clearly, to provide user defined packages, in the Java files, we have to use the following. We have to use package statement. We have to use what statement there? No, package statement. What is the syntax of this package statement? No, all of you observe carefully. What is the syntax of this package statement? No, package name semicolon. The syntax is what there? Package name semicolon. Now, what is this package name actually? Observe carefully. Where package name may be, tell me guys, what is this package name actually? Package may be a single name or the combination of, parent package name and child package name with a dot separator. Guys, observe carefully. With what separator here? No, dot separator. Come on, what's the point I'm telling there? To provide user defined packages in Java files, we have to use package statement. What statement here we have to use? What is the syntax here? No, package name. Then what is the condition here? Where package name may be a single name or the combination of parent package name and child package name with a dot separator. Example I'm telling to you, try to understand this clearly. Example is package P, that is what the single name we have used there. Now for example, package P, package P1.P2.P3, package P1.P2.P3. Either of the things here we have to prepare. Package P in the sense a single name, that is a single folder. Package P1.P2.P3 is what there? P1 is a main folder. Inside this P1 folder, P2 subfolder. Inside the P2, P3 is what there? Another subfolder. Like this here, we are having number of packages there. Right, sir. After that, after completion of this points here, another concept is like what there. After understanding this, observe carefully. If you want to use a package statement in Java files, we have to use the following conditions. We have to use the following conditions. Some conditions are available. If you want to use the package statements or package declaration statements in Java files, there we have to follow some conditions. If you want to use like this, some conditions are available. We have to follow the conditions. What are the conditions here we have to follow there? Now the point number one, condition number one. Package declaration statement must be first statement in a Java file. Point number one is what there? Package declaration statement must be first statement in a Java file. Okay. After comment section, not required anyway, but I'm specifying that after comment section. Right. Second one is what there? Package name. Package name must be unique. Package name must be what there? Unique. It must not be shareable and it must not be reusable. It must be unique, it must not be shareable, and it must not be reusable. Package name, basically package name is what is a folder name. Folder name must be unique or not. We cannot share same name for more than one folder. We cannot share same folder name to the more than one folder. Am I right or not? So here the point is what there, package name must be unique, it must not be shareable, and it must not be reusable. This is what exactly the meaning of like what there package declaration statement. All right, sir. Now, after this, I'm asking one interview question to you, try to answer for it. One important interview question I'm asking there. Especially read this first point here. Read this first point here. Package declaration statement must be the first statement in a Java file after the comment section. Okay, now read this first one. Now I'm asking this question there. Now try to answer for it. The question is it possible to declare more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Guys, understand my question clearly, what I am giving here? What is my question here? Is it possible to declare more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Again, I'm telling to you, read this statement, first one, and answer for this question. Package declaration statement must be what there? First statement. Then immediately what I'm asking there, is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Answer is what there? No. No. It is not possible. It is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. No, it is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. Why? Because. What is the reason for it here? Now tell me why. Because. Why? Because in Java files, package declaration statement must be first statement. Why? Because in Java files, package statement must be first statement. Observe carefully. If we provide more than one package, if we provide more than one package declaration statement, if we provide more than one package declaration statement, more than one package declaration statement in a Java file, if we provide more than one package declaration statement in Java file where only first package statement is the first statement, okay, comma, where the second package statement will not be the first statement, but package declaration statement should be what their first statement. That is the reason why here we are able to get what there some error here. No, right, sir. Observe carefully. Finally here what we are getting there, all the answers here we are getting. Now observe carefully. One example I am telling you, try to understand it. Example 1. All of you observe carefully. Example here. File name I am providing abc.java. My file name. File name is what there? abc.java. Inside this file name abc.java, I am going to take package P1, package P2. Okay. Package P3. Now check this here. File name is what there? abc.java, where packages are provided here, package P1, package P2, package P3. There here, what we are getting there, package P1 is what there, valid. Am I right or not? Now the next one is like what there, package P2 is what there, invalid. And package P3 is what there, invalid. Why is there only package statement must be the first statement? It should not be second statement and it should not be third statement. Sir, all of you get my point or not? This is one thing here we have to understand. Next one more point. Try to understand this. No, tell me guys, if you want to use package statements, two rules and regulations, two conditions here we have to follow. What are the two conditions here? No, first one is what there, package declaration statement must be the first statement in the Java file after the comment section. Second one is what the package name must be unique, it must not be shareable and it must not be reusable. The other two conditions. One condition related point already we understood. Is it possible to declare more than one package declaration statement in single Java file? Answer is what there, no. It is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. Why? Because in Java files, package declaration statements in a Java file, package declaration statement must be the first statement. If we provide more than one package declaration statement in single Java file, in more than one single Java file, where only the first package statement is the first statement and all the remaining, now I want to change it, and all the remaining package statements are not first statements. All the remaining package statements are not first statements. Simple point. That's enough here now. All the remaining package statements are not first statement, but package declaration statement must be what their first statement here. Right. So example I'm giving there. Example abc.java. Package P1 is valid. Package P2 is invalid. Package P3 is what their invalid here. Only first one is valid here. That's all of you are getting clarity, no? Right. Next one after completion of this. Observe carefully. Next one is another point here. To provide package names in a Java applications, observe carefully. Java has provided a convention like to include our company domain name in reverse. To provide package names in Java applications, Java has provided a convention like to include our company domain name in reverse. I'll show this point now. Right, sir. Then what is this point actually? For example, now I am working with the Durgasoft. My company domain name is what? Website name is what there? www.durgasoft.com. Okay. Here, what is this domain name actually? Durgasoft.com is what their domain name. Am I right or not? Reverse it. com.durgasoft. Use this in our package names. Use this com.durgasoft in what their package names. Let me delete it. I'll take an example here. Package com.durgasoft.icc.transactions.deposit semicolon. This is a package name. This is an official package name which is suggested by Java. What is this official package name which is suggested by Java there? What is this actually? com.durgasoft. What is this com.durgasoft actually? This is what they, this is, you can understand this company domain name in reverse. Company domain name in reverse. Next one, after that, ICICI. What is this ICICI? No, either project name or a client name. Next one is transactions. What is this transactions? Actually, transactions is like what there. This is what their module name. Module name. Out of this, next one is what the deposit. What is this deposit? Actually, this is a sub module name. That's it. So example I've given package com.durgasoft.icc.transactions.deposit, where com.durgasoft is what their company domain name in reverse. ICICI is what there is a project name or a client name. Transactions is what their module name. Deposit is what their sub module name. That's enough. This is what exactly the meaning of like what their package statement, package section. Just information in a Java programming format. What exactly the purpose of the package section? Inside this package section, what we are providing, these many things here we understood. Sir, all of you are getting clarity or not? That's enough. See this here once again. What content here we discussed here about this package statement. One time we want to understand all the points. Now try to understand it clearly. Right. See these points now, all of you. Right. Package section here we are understanding here. First of all, definitions are given, guys. Now tell me, what are the two definitions for packages? No, package is a collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Second one is what there? Package is a folder containing .class files representing related classes and interfaces. Next one, advantages of packages are what there? Modularity, abstraction, security, shareability, and what next one? Reusability. Next one, types of packages. No, predefined packages and user defined packages. What are these predefined packages? No, these packages are defined by Java programming language and provided along with the Java software. Java.io, Java.util, Java.sql, and so on. User defined packages. These packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. Right, sir. How we are going to define user defined packages? No, to provide user defined packages in Java files, we have to use the package statement. What statement here? We have to use the package statement. What is the syntax here? No, package name. But what is this package name actually? Where package name may be a single name or the combination of parent package name or child package name with a what separator here? No, dot separator. Example I'm giving package P single name. Now second statement is what there? Package P1 dot P2 dot P3. What are this P1 dot P2 dot P3 here? No, understand it here. P1 dot P2 dot P3 are what here? P1 is a parent package name. P2 is a child package name for P1. P3 is again child package name for what there? P3 P2 package name. Next one is, if you want to use a package statement in Java files, we have to use the following conditions. What conditions here we have to follow? The package declaration statement must be the first statement in Java file after the comment section. Package name must be unique. It must not be shareable and it must not be reusable. Next one is what? Next one here. Is it possible to declare more than one package declaration statement in single Java file? Right, sir. Answer is what there? No. It is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in single Java file. Why? Because in a Java file, package declaration statement in a Java file, a package declaration statement in Java file, a package declaration statement must be the first one. In a Java file, a package declaration statement must be the first statement. If you provide more than one package declaration statement in a Java file, where only the first package statement is the first statement and all the remaining statements are not the first statements now, and all the remaining package statements are not the first statement. That's the problem why we are unable to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. Example I'm giving, package P1 valid, package P2, package P3 are what their invalid cases now. To provide package names in Java applications, Java has provided a convention like to include our company domain name in what their reverse. Answer my point here. Next one, package com.durgasoft.icc.transactions.deposit, where com.durgasoft is what their company domain name in reverse. ICICI is what their project name or a client name. Transactions is what their module name. Deposit is what their sub module name. In this way here we have to understand clearly. Right, so now this is totally the information related to what their package section here clearly. Next one is after that. The third one is like what their import section. Third one is like what there, import section. All of observe carefully, import section. Import section. Right, sir. Import section. What exactly the meaning of import section? What is this import section clearly? Understand it now? Listen carefully. I'll go for one diagram, simple point here. For our better understanding purpose, I'm telling you, try to understand it now. For example, I have a program. File name is abc.java. Okay. Inside this, class A, class B. Here, package P1. This is my program. Clear? And command prompt, when we compile this program, d:/Java 430, for example, Java C -d, you know already. Whenever we are using packages, no, what option we have to use there? -d option. Right, sir. -d. Then what next one here? If I use abc.java, what will happen, sir? Now tell me. First, a P1 folder will be created or not? I think so. We have to use some target location. The target location along with -d is what there. Something else maybe e:/abc. Right, sir. When we provide like this command here, first of all, what happened there? This is e:/abc location. e:/abc location. Inside this, there is a folder. That folder name is what there? P1. That folder name is what there? P1. Inside this folder, two .class files are created. Two .class files are created inside this. What are the two .class files here we are getting there? First one is like what I am telling to you, a.class, and second one is like what there, b.class. Two .class files here we are getting, a.class, second one is what there, b.class. Got it or not? This is what is the meaning of package statement. But now I am preparing a program now. File name is tester.java. A separate Java program I am preparing here. This is like what their class test. Inside this class tester, what I am having here, public static void main. Their string array args. String array args. Then inside this, what we are doing there, I want to use a class. A small a is equal to new a. Object I am creating. I want to use what there, b small b is equal to new b. Observe carefully. Actually, where this A and B classes, no, A and B class are available at P1 package or not? A and B class are available inside the P1 package or not? So if you want to use classes and interface of a particular package into the present Java file, first we have to import that package to the present Java file. First, what we have to do there, import P1.star. Import P1.star in the sense, what is the meaning of it now? In a P1 package, A and B are available, that we are importing. Just A and B class are available to tester.java. Then we are able to use A and B classes. Now only put consonantional what statement here? This statement. Put consonantional what statement here? This statement. Observe carefully. Of course, this program is available at different location. What is the different location here? For example, now it's like what there? F:/ XYZ location, some other location. But A and B are available in a package P1 or not? A and B are available in a package P1 or not? Answer my point here. When A and B are available in a package P1, if you want to get them to the present Java file, first we have to import that P1 package to what their present Java file. Then automatically class A, class B are available to present Java file. Automatically, what we are able to get there, class A and class B are available to present Java file. Then we are able to use class A and class B in our present Java file. Without importing package P1, we are unable to use A class and B class in the present Java file. Yes, all of you are getting clarity on these points now? Are you clear about my points now? Right. Now let's observe carefully the same point I'm telling here. What is the main purpose of import statement is the main purpose of import statement is to make available classes and interfaces of a particular package into the present Java file. The main purpose of import statement is to make available classes and interface of a particular package into the present Java file in order to use. Right. So this is what exactly the meaning of the meaning of import statement. Syntaxes here we have to understand that. Two types of syntaxes are available. Observe the first syntax now. Import package name dot star. Guys, observe carefully. Import package name dot star. Right, sir? This is one point. Import package name dot star. What's the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this particular one here? Understand it now? It is able to import. Star is available, right? Represents what there? All class and interface of the specified package. It's able to import all classes and interfaces of a. It's able to import all class and interfaces of the specified package. It's able to import all the class and interfaces from the specified package. Example I'm telling to you, import java.io.star. Observe carefully. Import java.util.star. In java.io star, in the sense all class and interface of java.io. All class and interface of what there? Java.util. That we want to import. For the purpose here we have taken this particular syntax. That's okay, fine. Next one. Number 2. Second syntax is available. Import package name dot member name. Import package name dot member name. What is this package name dot member name? What is the meaning of it here? What it able to do there? Observe carefully. It is able to import only the specified member from the specified package. It is able to import only the specified member from the specified package. Example, import java.io.bufferedReader, semicolon. Import java.util.ArrayList. Observe carefully. In Java.io package, so many classes and interfaces are available. But out of all these classes and interfaces, we are importing only one class. Only one class is available to present Java file. Java.util.array list. In Java.util package, so many classes and interfaces are available. But out of all this, I want to get only one class. What is that class here? Array list class. Sir, unless you get my point or not? That's okay, fine. So only one member if you want to import, we can use this second syntax. All members of the specified package if you want to get, then we have to go for what there? First one. Right, nice. Observe one more point here I'm telling to you. What is this? Another point here. Observe carefully. Note. In a Java file, we are able to use at most one package declaration statement. Am I right or not? That already we have seen that. How many package declaration statements we are able to provide in a Java file? At most one, max one package declaration statement. But we are able to provide more than one import statement as per the requirement. Yes, all of you understand this point clearly what I'm telling you. In a Java file, we are able to use at most one package declaration statement, but we are able to provide more than one import statement as per the requirement. Example I'm telling you. File name is like what there, abc.java. In abc.java file, package p1, package p2, package p3, import java.io.star, import java.util.star, import java.sql.star. Like this, we are having some statements. Observe carefully. Out of all these statements, which one is valid and which one is invalid here, we have to understand. Tell me guys, all of you now tell me, package P1 is valid or invalid now? Yes, this is valid. Package P2 is valid or invalid now? Come on, invalid. You know already, right? More than one package statement is not possible. At most one package declaration statement is possible. Package P3, valid or invalid now? Invalid. At most one package declaration statement. Then any number of import statements here we are able to write. Means that valid or invalid now? Valid. Now this is what there, valid or invalid now? Valid. And this is what there, valid or invalid now? Yes, valid. By this what we are getting a conclusion there? How many number of package declaration statements here we are able to provide? At most one package declaration statement. But how many number of import statements are allowed here? Any number of import statements are allowed. Is that all of you get my point or not? Now this is what exactly the meaning of like what there import statement here, what we are understanding clearly. Next one is I have a question guys. All of you observe this question here. Listen, understand this one. Is it possible to use classes and interfaces of a particular package without importing the respective package in the present Java file? Understand my question here? What's the question here I'm asking there? Now try to answer for it. Is it possible to use classes and interfaces of a particular package without importing the respective package in the present Java file? That means indirectly what I am asking there, to use classes and interfaces, importing package is mandatory or optional? Is it possible to use that? Is it possible to use that? Now again, we require that information there. What is the answer for this particular question? Answer is very simple. All of you understand this clearly, what I'm telling you. Yes, observe carefully. Without importing packages also, we can access them. Yes, it is possible to use. It is possible to use classes and interfaces of a particular package into the present Java file without importing the respective package. Without importing the respective package. But what's the alternative? Without importing the package, how we are able to use that? But what's the alternative? But we must use fully qualified name of the respective package, respective class or interface. Guys, observe carefully what I'm telling to you. Yes, it is possible to use classes and interface of a particular package into the present Java file without importing the respective package, but we must use the fully qualified name of the respective class or interface. What is this fully qualified name? What is the meaning of this fully qualified name? Observe, note I am telling there. Observe carefully. Writing classes and interfaces along with package names is called fully qualified name. What is this fully qualified name there? Writing classes and interfaces along with the classes and interfaces names along with the package names is called fully qualified name. Example I am telling there. Array list is a class actually. Am I right or not? This is normal name. But if you want to make it is fully qualified name, we have to write it's a package name before the class name. Java.util.arraylist. Now it is what their fully qualified name. Got it or not? Next one is after that. Buffered reader is what there is a normal name. But no, fully qualified name is what there java.typo.buffered. Like this case we are having. So specifying classes names and interfaces names along with what their package name. Specifying classes name or interfaces name along with what their package name. That is called as what their fully qualified name. I'm going to take one example, guys. Observe carefully. A Java program with import statement. There I will prepare this. Another one here. What I'm telling to you. A Java program without import statement. Let's observe this clearly. A Java program without import statement. First one is what there? A Java program with import statement. A Java program without import statement. Observe carefully. Here I'm going to write like what there? Import java.io.star. IO package I imported here. One statement I want to use. What is the statement? You know, buffered reader BR is equal to new buffered reader of new input stream reader of system.in. This is my instruction actually. Actual instruction here I'm telling there. Buffered reader class name, buffered reader class name, input stream reader class name. All the things are available in java.io. One time if you import them, we can use any number of times at any number of times. Understand my point? Number of classes in any number of times. Any number of classes in any number of times. We can use that. One time if you import that. So it's somewhat better, easy. But a Java program without import statement in the sense, what we have to do there, same instruction I want to write, but what we are going to understand there, every time writing up the class name, we have to provide package name. Buffer reader, that means we have to write like what there, java.io.buffer reader. Again get buffer reader, what we have to write there, java.io.buffer reader. Next one is what there, input stream reader. What you have to write there, java.io.input stream reader. Everybody, understand my point here. java.typo.buffer.br is equal to new java.typo.buffer.header, new java.typo.input simulator of system.in. Is that all? If you get my point or not? This is what exactly the meaning of like what their program. Now, which one is better, guys? Now tell me here. Import statement or fully qualified names? Import statement or fully qualified names? The point is very clear. Always import statements are suggestible in Java applications. Always, what are suggestible here? No, fully qualified names are suggestible in Java applications. Observe carefully. So, import statements are suggestible. Fully qualified name in the sense, every time we have to write what there, every time we have to write package name. That is somewhat what I'm telling there, a risky thing for the developer. Developer don't want to go for every time package name. One time we want to import the package, no, you want to use classes and interfaces as per the requirement. That's it, guys. Now this is what exactly the meaning of like what there import section, what we understood there. Now let's see the content here, what we understand about this import statements. No, all of you observe carefully what we are understanding about import statement. Now let's see some example here, some points here. What are the points here we observe there clearly? Now, first of all, tell me import section. What is the main purpose of the import statement? No, the main purpose of import statement is to make available classes and interface of a particular package into the present Java file in order to use. Next one, syntaxes are given there. Import package name dot star. It is able to import all classes and interface of the specified package. Examples are like what there. What are the examples here are given there? No. Import java.typo.star. Import java.util.star. Next one. Import package name dot member name. It's able to import only the specified member from the specified package. Import java.typo.buffer.header. Import java.util.rl list. Next one here. In Java file, we are able to use at most one package declaration statement, but we are able to provide more than one import statement as per the requirement. Example I'm giving there, abc.java, package p1, package p2, package p3, import java.io.star, import java.util.star, import java.sql.star. Here we are getting some valid and invalid cases now. Is it possible to use classes and interface of a particular package without importing the respective package in the present Java file? Answer is what there? Yes, it is possible to use class and interface of a particular package into the present Java file without importing the respective package. But we must use what? The fully qualified name of the respective class or interface. Here, what is this fully qualified name actually? Writing class and interfaces names aligned with the package names is called as what their fully qualified name. Java.util.rl is java.io.buffer.header. All these are what their fully qualified name. Some example I'm giving there. A Java program with import statement, import java.io.star. Then the statement I've written buffer.header br is equal to new buffer.header, new input simulator sys.in. That's okay, fine. Right, sir. Now, next one is like what there, what I'm telling there. A Java program without import statement here. Java.io.buffer.header br is equal to new java.io.buffer.header, new java.io.input simulator sys.in. That points can be specified there. Next one is what there after completion of this. Always import statements are suggestible in Java applications than fully qualified names. Is it all of you completed and all of you understand it or not? So now tell me, we are at a Java programming format. In Java programming format, then what we have to do there? What we understood there in Java programming format, no? Right. Nearly how many statements, how many parts are available in Java programming format? 5 parts are available. What are the 5 parts now? Come on, comment section, package section, import section, classes or interfaces section. Then what next one here? Main class section. Up to now, how many sections can be completed there? How many sections we completed as of now? No response. Right, sir. 3 sections we completed. What are the 3 sections we completed? Comment section, package section, then import section. Then what next 2 things? Classes and interfaces. These are very simple to complete. No. Classes and interfaces section. Actually, this section I don't want to discuss much now. Why? Because it's a story in object orientation. Class, abstract class and interfaces, these are like what there is a total main components there. In hooks we are going to understand perfectly. In object orientation we are going to understand perfectly clearly. Observe carefully. Right sir. What about these classes or interfaces section here? First of all, what are these actually? Understand, what are these actually? What is the main intention of these class or interfaces? No, the main intention of classes and interfaces is to represent all real world entities in Java applications. Observe carefully what I am telling to you. The main intention of classes and interfaces is to represent all real world entities in Java applications. Everybody understand my point clearly? The main intention of these things are like what there, right sir? The main intention is like what there, observe carefully, to represent all real world entities in the form of what there, classes and interfaces. That means real world entities in the form of class and interfaces. Examples I'm telling to you, observe carefully. For example, a student, we can take it as what there, a real world entity. If anything has a number of attributes, if anything has number of attributes, then it is called, then it is exactly called as like what there, then it is called as a class, an entity. If anything has attributes, then it is called as what there, an entity. Observe carefully. Right, sir. Now here, student is a class. Why? Because it has number of attributes. Student ID, student name, student email, student mobile number, all these are attributes. If one thing has number of attributes, then the thing is called as what there is a class. Next one is like what there, employee. Similarly, employee. Next one is like what there, customer. Similarly, like what there, product. Next one is what there, account. And so on, so many. But how we are able to declare these classes here? Right, sir. Now, how we are able to declare classes here? How it is possible to declare all the classes now? If we observe this one, we are able to use class keywords. Examples I'm telling to you. Other example, class student, where some variables and methods we are able to declare. But what variables and what methods we are going to declare, that I will explain to you in object orientation. Next one, another example, class employee, variables and methods here we are able to declare. Class account, here also we are able to declare variables and methods, and so on. Any number of classes here we can declare. One one simple note, observe carefully. In Java applications, we are able to declare any number of classes and interfaces as per the requirement. No restrictions on this one. No restrictions on the number of classes and interfaces. Any number of classes and interfaces here we are able to declare inside like what there, inside the Java applications, that is totally depending on our application requirement. Not more than this. Sir, all of you are getting my point or not? Leave this one now. This is the total scenario about like what there, classes and interfaces, what we are preparing. Clear? More than this, I'm able to explain in object orientation. We have a separate topic for it. Then almost all 1 week of time we are going to spend only for class, how to declare class, then how to prepare programs by using classes there. Then everything we are going to understand in object orientation. Right, sir. This is completed. Now, after completion of this particular topic here, now another thing is like what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. Next one is main class section. Last one, last part in the Java programming format, main class section. Main class section. What is this main class section actually? What exactly the meaning of this main class now? In Java applications, how many classes here we are going to write? Do you have any limitation on number of classes? We don't have any limitation on number of classes. We can write any number of classes. In Java applications, we are able to write any number of classes. Am I right or not? Good. But out of these many classes, in one class, we are going to write main method. Out of these many classes, in one class, we are going to write what their main method. The class which has main method, that class is called as a main class. The class which has main method, that class is called as what their main class. All of you following my point or not? What is this main class? No, answer is very clear. Understand my point here? If any class has a main method, then that class is main class. If any class has main method, then that class is the main class. Right, sir. The next one is, what is the syntax of the main method? Or then what is the requirement of the main method? First understand this syntax. No, class main class name. Here we have to provide. In general, I'm going to provide what the test. In general, I'm going to provide my main class name is what their test. Inside this main method, here we are going to write public static void main string array args. Here we can write our application logic. Here we can write like what their application logic. Right, sir. This is a main class. Inside this main class, we must write what their this main method. Inside this, we are going to write like what their application logic. What logic we want to execute by JVM, that logic here we have to prepare. Right or not? Then I have a question now. What's my question here? What is the requirement of main method in Java applications? Right, we are writing main method a number of times. Definitely we are going to write main method. It's mandatory up to this J2SE applications. So we have to understand what is its main intention. What is the need of it? Why we are writing this main method? If you have to this point, now understand clearly. Because of two reasons here we are writing main method. What is the two reasons here? To hold application logic. Observe carefully, all of you know, to hold application logic which must be executed by JVM automatically. Main method will be accessed by JVM automatically. We are not going to call main method. JVM will call main method automatically. What JVM thinking? No, JVM is thinking inside the main method application logic is available. That's why JVM will access main method. Means that JVM will execute application logic automatically. That's why I said there, to hold application logic which must be executed by JVM automatically. Because of that reason, we require what their main method. 1.2. And the second point is like what I'm telling to you. What is the second point here? Observe carefully. Main method starting point is the starting point of the application execution. Main method ending point is the ending point of the application execution. Main method starting point is what their starting point of the application execution. Exactly this location. Exactly a starting point. Ending point of the main method is what their application execution ending point. So to define, observe carefully, to define starting point and ending point to the application execution, to define starting point and ending point to the application execution, we must write main method. Main method starting point is the starting point of the application execution. Main method ending point is the ending point of the application execution. So because of that reason, we must write what their main method. So overall, two reasons why here we are writing main method. What are the two reasons here? To hold application logic which must be executed by JVM automatically, we need main method. Next one, after that, to define the starting point and ending point to the application execution, we need main method. We need the main method. Right, so now these are the points here we have to understand. Right, sir. Then why main method is public? Why main method is static? why written type is void, why the name of the method is main, why parameters are available. All these things we are going to understand in object orientation after having some concepts in object orientation. All the things here we are going to understand in what their object orientation here. But as of now, the concept, the topic is like what I'm telling to you, what exactly the meaning of, like what their main method, what is its intention, here we are getting. Now guys, all of you are getting clarity on these points now? Right. So this is the total Java programming format. So this total part is completed here. The next topic is what there directly steps to prepare first application only. Already we have seen that steps to prepare first application at 6 o'clock now. So officially 4:30 classes are closed. That 2 chapters, that means only first unit, that is introduction part we completed here. The same topic I completed there. The next remaining part already we started at 6 o'clock. We can continue with the 6 o'clock class only. Anyway, tomorrow no class. Then day after tomorrow, Monday onwards, at what time we have to come there? 6 o'clock. Directly we can come at 6 o'clock, not at 5 o'clock, not at 4:30. 6 to 7:30, we are going to continue our classes. Still I'm telling there. Up to this part, whatever the concepts here we understood. If you have any doubt, if you want to attend once again, anyway, video support we are providing there. But if you want to see the live classes again, 7:30 to 9 now. Just today also a demo class is going on, just a demo only. Monday onwards, effectively the topic is going to be start. If you require any backup classes, if you want to understand the concepts again, 7:30 to 9 now. Other class are, that means same core Java is going to be start there. You can attend for it. If any class you are missing, or once again if you want to attend all the points now, not getting clarity sir, once again I want to attend all the classes there, yes, feel free and come at even at 7:30 also. But 6 o'clock class are going on continuously. But up to now, whatever the backups, if you want to get some backup there, we can attend at 7:30 to 9 also. Depends on our requirement where we want to attend there, right? That's all guys, that's all for today. I'll see the remaining part might be day of tomorrow on Monday at 6 o'clock. Thank you. Yes, and Tumur, Chandrasekhar, now tell me. Yeah. ఏ బ్యాచ్ ఈ బ్యాచ్ రావట్లేదా? మీరు నాకే ఇచ్చారు కదా, అది నాకు ఇచ్చారు, అది మెయిల్ ఐడి ఆఫీస్. ఒక్క నిమిషం చూద్దాం మనం. ఒక్కసారి మీ మెయిల్ ఐడి ఏంటి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చారు మెయిల్ ఐడి? 2 days అవుతుందా? ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి. టూ డేస్ బ్యాక్ ఇచ్చారా? ముకుందా, ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను చెక్ చేస్తున్నాను. సరే ఒక పని చేయ, నాకు వచ్చినట్లేదు కానీ ఒక నంబర్ చెప్తాను, నంబర్ పంపించేసే. నువ్వు ఏ నెంబర్ పంపించు, ఒకసారి నంబర్ చెప్పు నాకు. అది 6 o'clock వాళ్ళు Monday kada? Not attended yesterday? Come. 738609560 అదే కదా దీనికి పెట్టినారా ఎప్పుడు పెట్టారు అది 2 days బ్యాక్ పెట్టారా దాన్ని పెడితే ఎల్లుంటుంది నాకు తెలిసి 4:30 కోర్ జావనా ఒక నిమిషం 738609560 అంతే కదా ఒక్కసారి మెయిల్ చెక్ చేశారా మీరు యాక్సెస్ లింక్ ఏమైనా వచ్చిందేమో చెక్ చేశారా మెయిల్ చెక్ చేశారా సరే మొబైల్ చూడండి ఒకసారి ఏమైనా వచ్చిందేమో సరే ఓ పని చేయండి లేకపోతే అదే నంబర్కి మళ్ళీ పెట్టండి నేను చెప్తే ఇప్పుడు కాల్ చేసి నేను పంపిస్తాను సరిపోతుంది నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ సో why package is reusable and not the name of the package? Yeah, package body is reusable. Package body in the sense class and interface of a particular package are reusable. But what I am telling there, name is not reusable. Why? Because and package is a folder, right? Folder name must be unique. It must not be reusable. That's it. Okay. Yeah, package body is reusable, but name is not reusable. That's right. Tumur Chandrasekhar. Then please send a request mail to Durgasoft online training @gmail.com. Then our people will send that access link and everything to you. Okay. Right. Right. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. And tomorrow, not tomorrow, and day of tomorrow onwards, you attend at 6 o'clock only. Already given 6 o'clock class link there. Then try to attend for it. Thank you.